Most people think cancer prevention is all about genetics or luck, but science now shows that what we eat plays a major role, not just in prevention, but in actively fighting disease at the cellular level. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 specific foods that have been shown in clinical and laboratory research to support your body's ability to prevent, resist, and even help fight cancer. The 5th food is especially interesting. Not only can it slow tumor growth, but it also boosts gut health, which is helpful for long-term immune protection. Food doesn't cure cancer, but certain foods have measurable biological effects. They reduce inflammation, inhibit tumor blood supply, what we call angiogenesis, and strengthen immune surveillance. This approach is based on angiogenesis research, immunonutrition, and metabolic oncology. These 5 foods have been studied for their protective, preventive, and adjunctive properties, meaning they may help reduce risk or support treatment outcomes. Food number 1, green tea. Key compound, EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG is a polyphenol found in high concentrations in green tea. It reduces angiogenesis, the process by which tumors create new blood vessels to feed themselves. Studies show regular green tea consumption is associated with reduced risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancers. How to use it? Brewed fresh, not bottled. Ideally 2 to 3 cups per day. Let it cool slightly before drinking to avoid esophageal irritation from scalding liquids. Food number 2, broccoli and brassica vegetables. Key compound, sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is found in broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and especially broccoli sprouts. Sulforaphane activates NRF2 pathway, which turns on antioxidant and detoxification genes. It can potentially slow cancer cell growth, reduce inflammation, and block tumor-promoting enzymes. Sulforaphane is heat sensitive, so light steaming is better than boiling. Clinical note, it's shown to reduce the risk of bladder, breast, prostate, and lung cancers in epidemiological studies. Food number 3, papaya. Key nutrients, carotenoids, and papain enzymes. Papaya is rich in beta-cryptozanthin and lycopene, antioxidants linked to reduced inflammation and oxidative DNA damage. Carotenoids help to downregulate angiogenesis and reduce cellular stress. Also contains enzymes that support digestive immunity, which play a role in systemic inflammation. Food number 4, purple potatoes. Key compound, anthocyanins. These vibrant pigments have been shown to inhibit cancer stem cells, which are often responsible for tumor recurrence and resistance to therapy. Purple potatoes have anti-inflammatory and pro-apoptotic, cell death-inducing effects in lab studies. Anthocyanins also improve endothelial function, supporting cardiovascular and metabolic health during cancer recovery. Here's a tip. Bake or steam them. Retain the skin for highest antioxidant concentration. Now food number 5, pomegranate. Key compounds, elegatinins, and polyphenols. Pomegranate juice and seeds contain ellagic acid, which inhibits proliferation of cancer cells and blocks new blood vessel formation in tumors. It also improves gut microbiome composition, which enhances immune function and supports inflammation control. In animal and cell studies, pomegranate extracts slowed the growth of prostate and colon cancer cells. Here's a useful tip. Use pure juice with no added sugars or eat the seeds. So here's your cancer-fighting food list. Green tea reduces inflammation, boosts immune defense. Broccoli and brassicas activate detox pathways, lower cancer enzymes. Papaya, rich in carotenoids and enzymes that support cellular repair. Purple potatoes target cancer stem cells and reduce recurrence risk. Pomegranate slows cancer growth and strengthens gut immunity. These aren't miracle cures by any means, but as a physician, I believe in stacking the odds in your favor, and what you eat every day is one of the most powerful tools you can personally have. Please subscribe to my channel for more expert-level, evidence-based videos on longevity, heart health, circulatory health, and disease prevention. And if you found this helpful, please share it with somebody you care about.